Tip number 3 is explain before, beware of FOMO, fear of missing out. Now, we millennials and Gen Z love to hop on things impulsively because we saw people do it, we saw them make millions, our friends vouch for it. That is not good enough for cryptocurrency. You have to have a why behind it, a solid plan, a risk limit, and your own research under your belt before you start. So try to resist the temptation and do your due diligence. Last tip number 4 is use a secure exchange. When investing in cryptocurrency, your assets are only as strong as the exchange you trade them on. Crypto exchanges are very risky because it's unregulated. Now, these risks can leave you vulnerable from server failures to hacking. So before you invest, please make sure your exchange is reputable by doing the following. Check that the payment gateways are reputable and sourced by other people's success. And make sure they can handle high traffic because the crypto market is constantly going up and down. People see that tokens go up 20,000% in value and they all jump on it. So make sure they can handle high traffic. If it's not, it's trying to scam you, saying that no one is using it. That is not good. So in conclusion, to wrap it up, before you invest in cryptocurrency, make sure you set your own risk limits, make it for you, make it unique to your income and your values you can invest in. Don't jump in feet first, avoid the temptation of FOMO, and allow yourself to conduct your own research on what coin or cryptocurrency works best for you. As anything in investing, it will require trial and error, patience, and a little bit more time and energy to invest in cryptocurrency. But if you want to use it as an asset in the future, it's worth it to get started now. But just make sure you do it right, do it safe, and above all, have fun.